Hello, welcome to our tutorial on hire purchase. This work example is going to go through, this work example is going to show you a few cases of hire purchase questions, and hopefully you are able to understand this, how hire purchase works. All right. Okay, we're going to look at our first question here. Sarah borrowed 45,000 from XYZ Bank to start her business. The bank charges a simple interest rate of 3.5% per annum. What is Sarah's monthly installment if her loan term is for 10 years? Okay, so it is clearly stated that it charges a simple interest rate. So going back to the formula, I equals to PRT over 100. This is for simple interest. And we're going to use this formula. And then going back to using it, from here, I can say that the interest, I equals to, the principal is 45,000. So 45,000. And the interest, the rate is 3.5%. And the loan term is for 10 years. Okay, then divided by 100. Okay, so using your calculator, you will get $15,750. Okay, this is the interest. This is the extra amount that Sarah has to pay over a period of 10 years. So the question is, what is her monthly installment if her loan term is 10 years? Okay, so the total amount, we need to find the total amount that she has to pay over these 10 years, which is 45,000 plus back your 15,750. Okay, and you will get $60,750. So over a period of 10 years, she has to pay this amount. So her monthly installment is equals to 60,750 divided by 10 years multiplied by 12, because in 10 years there are 12, in 10 years, in each year there is 12 months, right? So 60,750 divided by 120 months, and that amounts to $506.25. Okay, so every month she has to pay $506.25 to repay back her loan. Okay, so this is some form of a hire purchase. Okay, look for our other examples, and then we will look through more cases. Okay, so for this question, the key takeaway is calculating the monthly installment. Okay, you need to divide by 10 times by 12, the number of months in a period of 10 years. Okay, don't just divide it by 10. That is the yearly installment. Okay guys, thank you so much. I'll see you in our next video.